Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a Google Sheets file private. So here I have this file that I want to make it as private. So as you guys can see here in the share, now this file is public on the web. So that means anyone on the internet who has the link can open this file. But if I want to make it private, so just click on this share button. Okay, there will be a pop-up like this. So what you need to do is just change the general access from anyone with link. So click on this, change it into restricted. Now click on done, and after that here the access will be updated. Let's refresh it. So now as you guys can see here, the file now is private only to me. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.